the Nikon Z6. It shares the same design and the pretty much identical spec sheet as the Z7, but it has 4 notable differences: resolution, autofocus, a higher ISO range, and burst shooting speed. Coming up.
Damn.
Every time
Bonjour my dear high-tech fans and welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you all. And if you're here for the first time, salut, my name is Céline, I'm a TV journalist and I'm here to talk about tech with you. So if you like high-tech reviews, tutorials and sometimes vlogs, you should consider subscribing. Let's be honest here, I said there were 4 notable differences, but in reality there are 5. So let's first talk about the price. The new full-frame mirrorless Nikon Z6 is a more affordable model than the outstanding Z7, keeping nearly all the features while almost cutting the price in half. The Z6 uses the exact same body design as its Z7 sibling. I see you asking yourself, but Céline, we never had the Z7 in our hands, so how does it feel? It feels natural to have it in your hand. It's ergonomic and lighter than other cameras. Remember, in one of my latest videos, I asked Reggie, a professional cameraman, what his feeling was about the Z7 design.
Disons qu'au premier contact, c'est très agréable.
And if you're a Nikon fan and own already a Nikon device, the buttons and dials are designed to feel familiar in your hands. On the back of the camera, most of the buttons are found on the right-hand side, making it much easier to adjust settings with your thumb. Let's see what we've got here. I see all your disappointed faces. There's just one card slot here, but considering it's an XQD card and it's quite expensive for one already, you might consider your disappointed faces. Now, let's talk about the big difference with the Nikon Z7. While this one has 45.7 megapixel, the Z6 features 24.5 megapixel. 45.7 megapixel, alright if you want to print huge posters, but other than that, having fewer pixels may not be a big problem. The little advantage is that it helps a lot when it comes to low light shooting. To that end, the Z6 has a bigger native ISO range compared to the Z7. This means the Z6 should have a better low light performance. Let's put it to the test. On the Z6, you've got a 273-point hybrid autofocus system compared with the 493-point system of the Z7. Nonetheless, it still resulted in some rock-solid autofocus performance in our testing. And the Z6 can muster 12 frames per second continuous shooting compared to 9 frames per second for the Z7. Battery life for the Z6 has an official rating of just 310 shots. That sounds pretty poor. I have put it to the test and you can push it to more, like 600 shots. For now, there are only 3 proprietary lenses for Nikon's brand new Z mount. There's a kit 24 to 70mm lens along with a 35mm and the 50mm. If you already have old Nikon lenses, be assured that with a few extra dollars or euros, you can buy an optical mount to use your F-mount lenses with the Z6. And let's save the best for last. SnapBridge, Nikon's mobile app, works on both Android or iOS. You can also shoot remotely using your iPhone or iPad. Once connected, you can easily switch exposure modes from the top left of the app. To the right is a toggle for photos or video mode, followed by additional camera stats such as battery life. If I had the money to buy the Z6 or the Z7, I would definitely opt for the Z6 for all the things mentioned till now. I had a fun time chatting with you. If you did too, please click on the thumbs up button just down en dessous, below. Give me a high five, and if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel. Have a fantastic week, and I will see you lundi prochain. Salut!